What happens when racing heritage goes fully electric and refuses to compromise? You get something that changes everything. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel because today we're stepping into the future of electric performance with something seriously special. Close your eyes for a second and imagine the moment hot hatch heritage meets cutting-edge electric technology, where racing DNA shakes hands with silent acceleration. Now, open them, because the 2026 Renault Megane EV RS has arrived. And this isn't just another electric car. This is a statement. The first thing you notice is the presence. This car doesn't politely ask for attention, it commands it. The stance is wider, lower, and far more aggressive than the standard Megane EV. Sculpted lines run across the body like tension in a coiled muscle ready to spring forward. The RS treatment turns elegance into intimidation. The front fascia looks razor sharp, with signature LED lighting slicing across the night like a blade. Those massive air intakes aren't just for drama, they're designed for aerodynamic cooling, guiding air across performance components with precision. And then you see the wheels, large, motorsport-inspired alloys tucked under flared arches that whisper one thing: grip. Every inch of this car screams performance engineering. Even the paint feels premium, deep and glossy, reflecting light like liquid metal. This is not just a car you drive, this is a car you experience. Now let's talk power, because this is where the story really begins. The Megane EV RS transforms the idea of a hot hatch into a new era. Dual electric motors deliver instant torque to all four wheels. No lag, no hesitation. Just pure, immediate thrust. The moment you touch the accelerator, the world bends around you. 0 to 60 happens in what feels like a blink, pushing you back into the seat with an electric surge that feels almost unreal. It's silent, but the adrenaline is deafening. Electric performance isn't just about straight-line speed, though. The real magic is in how this car handles corners. Engineers have tuned the chassis with a motorsport mindset. The battery pack sits low in the floor, lowering the center of gravity dramatically. That means sharper turn-in, flatter cornering, and the confidence that makes you want to push harder with every curve. Torque vectoring works invisibly in the background, sending power exactly where it's needed. You don't fight the road, you dance with it. Driving this car feels like a conversation between machine and driver. You turn the wheel and the car responds instantly, almost telepathically. The steering is precise, weighted perfectly to feel sporty but not heavy. Every input feels rewarded. Every corner becomes an invitation. Step inside and the experience becomes even more luxurious. The interior blends high-performance design with futuristic elegance. Alcantara and premium materials wrap around you like a tailored racing suit. The seats hug your body perfectly, supportive yet comfortable, reminding you that this is a performance machine designed for real life. The digital cockpit is stunning. A wide, high-resolution display stretches across the dashboard, glowing with crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Everything feels fast, fluid, and intelligent. The infotainment system responds instantly, offering seamless connectivity and advanced navigation that predicts your needs before you even think about them. Ambient lighting sets the mood, shifting tones to match driving modes. In comfort mode, the cabin feels calm and refined. Switch to RS mode and everything transforms. Lighting turns intense, displays sharpen, and the car's personality changes from elegant commuter to track-ready predator. Sound is another fascinating part of the experience. Electric cars are quiet, but this one gives you the option to feel the drama. A specially tuned synthetic performance sound enhances acceleration, making every burst of speed feel cinematic. It's subtle, thrilling, and perfectly balanced. Range anxiety? Forget it. This car combines performance with practicality. A high-capacity battery delivers impressive range, allowing you to enjoy spirited driving without constantly searching for chargers. And when it is time to recharge, ultra-fast charging capability means you can regain a huge chunk of range in the time it takes to grab coffee. But what truly makes this car feel expensive isn't just the materials or the technology, it's the feeling of precision. Everything feels engineered with obsessive attention to detail. Doors close with a satisfying, solid sound. Buttons click with precision. The suspension absorbs bumps with sophistication while remaining firm and sporty. Every interaction feels intentional. This car proves electric doesn't mean boring. Electric means evolution. It means performance without compromise. It means speed without noise, power without emissions, and excitement without guilt. The Megane EV RS isn't just part of the electric revolution, it's leading it. Imagine driving through a city at night, street lights reflecting off the bodywork, the silent power gliding you through traffic effortlessly. Then the road opens up and you press the accelerator. The calm turns into chaos in the best way possible. The car surges forward, the world blurs, and you realize you're experiencing the future of driving. This is a car built for enthusiasts who refuse to let go of excitement. It respects the legacy of performance hatchbacks while redefining what performance means in the electric age. It's thrilling, luxurious, practical, and futuristic all at once. And that's what makes the 2026 Renault Megane EV RS feel so special. It isn't trying to replace the past, it's building the next chapter. A chapter where speed is silent, power is instant, and driving becomes an experience again. So if you love cars, if you love technology, and if you love the feeling of acceleration that makes your heart race, this machine deserves your attention. The future is electric, and it looks incredibly exciting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next, because if this is the future of performance, we're just getting started.